Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here on the beautiful Atlantic City beach. Was walking around today and I noticed a steel pier is open. Had no idea it was open. It's not the end of March, not Memorial Day yet, but it looks like everything's operating. So I'm gonna head on over there, bring you guys with me. Let's take a quick peek. First time for the season. Let's go. As I've mentioned many times, I haven't tried all the pizza on the boardwalk here in Atlantic City, but so far the best pizza on the boardwalk comes from a trailer.
Come on guys, let's play Sneaky Pete. There's a winner every single time, every single race. There's always a winner.
The Steel Pier offers 1,000 feet of fresh air adventure and over-the-ocean outdoor fun. Located on the world-famous Boardwalk in Atlantic City, just steps from the casino resorts and New Jersey's beautiful miles of beach, the Steel Pier is sure to excite you. Whether you are skyrocketing to the stars over the ocean or gathering for an event with the best view in town, the Steel Pier offers some kind of fun for everyone. Whatever you choose, brace yourself for great action. The history of the Steel Pier has changed like the tides in the ocean below it since it was founded in 1898. That's an old pier. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Keep it up, keep it up.
Here we have the Sunset Bar right underneath the wheel here on the Steel Pier. Usually some really bad karaoke coming from the Sunset Bar, which, as far as I'm concerned, makes it really good karaoke. I know it's early in the season, and I just found out they are open now for the season. They open late though. They open at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna stop by tomorrow and do a ride on that wheel again. I'll take you guys along with me. I only get 2, sometimes 3 days off from my real job every week, so all these videos that I do are scheduled, and everything is planned out by the hour basically, and this was totally unplanned, and the timing was perfect because the sun is setting and we're going to get some beautiful views of the setting sun here on the Steel Pier. This is something I've been dying to do and bring you guys along, and I contacted the company last summer just to find out if I can record during the flight. I'm not looking for anything. I'm not looking for a free ride or anything like that. I just want to know if I can record. It's not cheap, and if I can't record, then I won't do it. So I just want permission from them that I can record while flying. I'll get in touch with them one more time this year, and hopefully I can take you guys along on a flight way above Atlantic City. I'm a sucker for roller coasters and Ferris wheels, and usually when I'm on a Ferris wheel, my eyes are wide open, and when I'm on a roller coaster, they're usually slammed shut. I don't even know why I bother. I'm looking forward to this new one opening this season, and they're looking for a name. If you guys have a name or an idea for a name, leave a comment below. This ride is in every amusement park, and I never trusted it. Ever since I was a kid, I've never been on it. I had so many questions, like what if the chain broke? What if I got tangled up with the rider next to me? I just don't trust this ride. I don't even know what it's called. It's probably called something different in every park, but you see them everywhere. And you don't hear too many bad stories about them. I just don't trust them. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Popcorn's good, but I love caramel corn, especially when there's peanuts in it like the Cracker Jack style. Do you eat popcorn? How do you like your popcorn? Leave a comment below. By the way, cheddar corn, also really good. I never ever won at these crane games, and sometimes there's one that looks like it's just ready for the taking and you try to go for it, but I think they're glued down. Actually, what I've discovered over the years is I think the prizes are ready and good for the taking, but the crane is really wishy-washy. With age comes wisdom, and I've learned over the years that I like a sure thing, so if I put $5 in this machine, chances are I'm gonna lose, whereas if I walk across the boardwalk and put $5 in the slot machine, I know I'm gonna lose, so that's a sure thing. And well, unfortunately, I always bet on the sure thing. I'm thinking of heading into the lobby bar at the Hard Rock while we're here. Okay, you talked me into it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.